Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will be answering a frequently asked question that I myself asked before and I couldn't find the answer I wanted for it. How to make an outer glow on an object without having to emit light from the object itself. Like when you do it in Adobe Photoshop blending options or many other programs. It's a very simple feature that you can find in most programs. Most answers I found were, why don't you just do it in the compositing phase? Yeah, of course, it's so easy to be done in the compositing phase, and that's what I usually had to do. Yet it was still annoying me how I'm sure it can be done in the pre-compositing phase, and I found the answer. Okay, now I will be showing you how it's done. First, make a sphere and shade it smooth. Add a new material to it. Pick whichever color you want for this material. Then add a material slot with another material. Go into the shading tab and delete the principled BSDF. In the material properties, turn on backface culling, set the shadow mode to none, and blend mode to alpha blend. Now add a layer weight node, an emission node, a transparency node, and lastly a mix shader node. Connect the phasing value to the factor of the mix shader, then connect the emission and transparency nodes to the shader values on the mix shader. Now add a color ramp which will be the colors of the outer glow. Connect it to the emission shader. Keep it as it is for now. Add a gradient texture and change it to quadratic. Then, while having it selected, press Ctrl T to add a texture coordinate and mapping nodes if you have the Node Wrangler add-on active. If not, then just add them manually. This is a setup for outer glows material. Now let's put it into use. Go back into the Layout tab and add a solidify modifier to the sphere. Set the offset to 1, increase the thickness, flip the normals, and make it high quality. Then set the material index to 1. Now go back into the shading tab and connect the mix shader node to the material output. Set the colors you want for your glow on the color ramp node. You can use multiple colors if you want. You can see it's a little rough around the edges, so increase the blend of the layer weight to make it softer. Then increase the emission strength to whatever works for you. If you have watched my tutorial about how to add outlines for your character, you will notice I used about the same trick for half of it. I came up with this idea and experimented and it worked like magic in the end. I hope you found this helpful. That was it for this week's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Until next video.